Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to cut and sew a party dress. I've already cut and half length the back and the front. I'll show you how I sewed that on the front and on the back. I have plain white paper. I fold it into two. I'm going to cut the front. I will measure half length. I remove 5 inches. Half length is 16 inches and I will add 1 inch to sew top here and on the bottom, which means I will have 17 inches. The way I place my tape, I will measure 8.5 inches. 8.5 inches. This is the bust and this is the waist. The measurement I use for this one is 38 inches on the bust and 34 inches on the waist. This paper is not up to the wideness of this material, so I'm going to assume using 34 inches on the bust for this one and 32 inches on the waist for this paper. So if you are using 40, 42, 45, 46 on the bust, you have to add to the measurement. Bust is 34 inches, divided by 4 is 8.5 inches. This 8.5 inches. Then I will use the remaining one here to sew on the side. Waist is 32 inches, divided by 4 is 8 inches. This is 8 inches. I have 2 inches remaining. So the 2 inches remaining is the one I will use to sew that, and the remaining one I will use to sew side. I will mark just like this. This upper bust, I will measure 5.5 inches. I'm going to cut this very one, this neck, like this. This one is 6 inches and I measure this one 5.5 inches. Then I will curve just like this. This armhole, I curve this way. I will measure 4 inches from the center to this place, 4 inches for that. This is how it is. I will sew that. I will sew that with just 1/2 inch. I will do the same on this side. I will measure from here 6 inches, from here to here 6 inches. The lining I cut exactly like this. For the back, the only difference between back and front is the zip allowance. Then I add 2 inches on the back for zip. Otherwise, it's just the same. If you are not adding zip on the back, for example, you are adding on the side, then you cut exactly like this. Then if you are adding zip on the back, you give 2 inches or 1.5 inch on the back this way. You measure 2 inches or 1.5 inch, then like this. You place this one on top where you mark, exactly on top where you mark, just like this. This is exactly what I did here. I'm going to cut the down part. I'm going to cut the back. I fold into 2. For zip, I will measure on the back 4 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches. On the back, I measure 4 inches for zip and for slits on the bottom. On top here, where I will sew zip on, I will measure 2 inches. I will measure 2 inches. I measure 2 inches. 2 inches. I will measure 7 inches on the back. On the bottom, I measure 16 inches from bottom up here, 16 inches. This for slits. Then I will measure 2 inches, which I started from here, 2 inches. I will cut this place. This 4 inches on the bottom. This side, what I will do when I'm going to start to sew, I will leave this place open, then I will start the sewing on this line where I mark. I will sew down. Waist is 34 inches, divided by 4 is 8 inches. For that, I add 3 inches. This waist. I will place my tape here, measure 10.5 inches. This hip. Hip is 42 inches, divided by 4 is 10.5 inches. Plus sewing allowance. On the bottom, I will measure 40 inches, divided by 4 is 10 inches plus sewing allowance. This is the one for the front. I fold into 2. I will place on top this one and cut the same. I place on top this place where I mark from up to down, just like this. The front, I measure exactly the same way as the back. The difference is just this zip allowance. This is the front. I place on top this place where I mark this place. I will cut the lining from waist up to this place. I will measure on the waist 4.5 inches for that. From center to this place, 4.5 inches. I'm going to start to sew. See the way I fold? This is where I will sew with 1.5 inch up to here. Also on this side, I will do the same on the back. I'm going to cut the sleeve. I'm using plain material, navy blue. I'm going to plaint on the sleeve. I fold this way, 10 inches by 29.5 inches. I will cut here. This is for the 2 sleeve. I will fold this way. I will mark. I will measure 4.5 inches here. Then I will curve just like here, like this place. I have the one to lining. I'm going to cut strong material on it. If you have strong gum stay, you can also iron on it before you sew. Use this strong material. I will bring the right side out from here. I will iron the line, this place, just like this one. I'm done sewing this. After bringing the right side out, then I stitch on top the edge and this side. I will do the same here. I will stitch on top here in here. I have 4 inches by 58 inches. I will fold into 2. I will sew straight down. So I finish with one sleeve like this, and the 58 inches I measured, I didn't finish all the 58 inches. I have 20 inches remaining. That means I use 38 inches to pleat on this place. 38 inches. I will trim this one out. I will measure 2 inches. 2 inches. I remove 2 inches here and 2 inches here before I start with my plaits. This way, and I will sew on the center. I will continue with the plaits just like this one. Then after I finish doing that, I will bring the right side out. Then I will plait on top just like here. I plait on top. The measurement here is 12 inches. And I sew this one. I will iron. I will place this way. I will start the plaits. I will sew. I will use this material to make plait on the neck. I fold into 2 and I will cut 2 inches. I will fold into 2. I will start from here. I will plait with, I will sew here with 1 inch. After sewing, it will come this way. I will cut the one to turn the front neck. I've already cut the back neck. I'm done with the plaits. I will sew here. Watch. I'm going to join the side. I will measure bust 38 inches divided by 4 and waist 34 inches divided by 4. And on this side, 38 inches divided by 4, 34 inches divided by 4. After sewing the 2 sides, I will sew the sleeve. On this place, I will sew this way. Then the remaining one here, I will hem inside. I will do the same on this side. So on top here, and I sew here. I will do the same on the back. I'm done sewing the sleeve. I have bias. I'm going to use it to sew here, these rough parts inside this place. I will sew up to here. For the down parts, I sew here and leave 7 inches open and sew down and leave 16 inches open. I'm going to join the two sides. I sew that on the front and on the back. I will place together this way. I will measure 34 inches on the waist, and so I will measure hip 42, and I will sew up, and I will place this one on top and sew. I'm going to sew this long one. This is 22.5 inches. I hem this side and this side. I'm going to sew plain here and sew on the front. I will sew on the front. I will plait with 1.5 inch, or you can plait with 2 inches. I plait with 1.5 inch, and I have 4 plaits. I'm done sewing the plaits. I will iron. This is the front of the down part. I'm going to sew on this side before I join. I'm going to sew on top here. After I finish sewing on the two sides, I will join the back and this front, the side together, before I will sew the upper one on top here. I'm done sewing the plaits on it. I sew here, this way, and here. I'm going to join this side. I sew this side already to the bottom before sewing this on top, this drop on top. Then I will sew this side now. I will measure waist and hip. Then I will sew down after sewing before I sew this on the waist. I'm done sewing the side, and I join the top, the upper part here. I join. This is the waist. This is the one that will drop. I'm going to iron for zip, the back for zip. I'm going to iron, then I will sew zip here. Before I do that, I will first sew lining to cover up this rough part. I'm done with this beautiful dress, and I sew the lining to cover up the rough parts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in my next video.